Today I'm going to continue the video series about registers and I'm going to talk about belting. So, belting. I like to use two explanations about belting. One of them is the extension of the chest voice, because what's happening? So the chest, like I said in the previous video, that the chest voice resonates in the chest. That's why it's called chest voice, so it's in the front. But the belting is basically also up here, but it's higher. It's much higher. So it could feel like it's just as powerful, just as loud as the chest voice. So that's why we can call it the extension of the chest voice. The other explanation I like to use is it's a very loud and powerful way of singing, but it's not shouting. I can hear people use these terms, like use belting as shouting. Belting is loud, yes. Powerful, yes, but it's not shouting. There is a big difference between shouting and singing loud. So, one more time, belting is also resonates here in the front. It's either the extension of the chest voice, because just as loud, just as powerful, or let's call it a powerful, loud way of singing.